Today, I'll show you how to test your scheduler in Acuity Scheduling. Whether you're a business owner or a content creator, ensuring your scheduling system works seamlessly is crucial for smooth operations. Let's dive in and make sure your Acuity Scheduling is set up just right. First, it's essential to understand why testing your scheduler is important. By viewing your scheduler from the client's perspective, you can identify any potential issues that might arise for your YouTube or TikTok shop followers. This step helps you ensure that the booking process is as smooth and straightforward as possible, which is crucial for maintaining a professional image and providing excellent service. To begin, you'll want to access the client view. This is your chance to experience exactly what your clients will see when they book an appointment with you. Start by navigating to the left-hand sidebar of your Acuity Scheduling dashboard. Here, you should see an option labeled Scheduling Page Link. Click on this to proceed. Now, you'll need to open the link to view your scheduling page. This part is straightforward but very important to get right. You'll want to copy the general scheduling page URL. Once you have that URL copied, the next step is to open it in an incognito or private browser window. This is a critical step. By using an incognito or private window, you ensure that you're viewing the page without any administrative privileges or cached data that might alter what a client sees. Essentially, this lets you see the scheduler as if you were a first-time visitor. Once the page is open in your incognito browser, take a moment to explore it thoroughly. Look at every detail from the availability of time slots to the clarity of instructions. Check for any issues that might confuse a client, such as unclear booking buttons or misleading time zone information. It's also a good idea to test the booking process by going through the steps as if you were making an actual appointment. This practice run will help you catch any errors or glitches that might disrupt the booking process. As you click through the options, consider the entire user experience. Is the interface intuitive? Do the instructions make sense? Is everything loading correctly? Take notes of any issues so you can address them afterward. Remember, the goal is to make the booking process as smooth and seamless as possible for your clients. Finally, once you've completed these steps and are satisfied with how your scheduler looks and functions, it's time to make any necessary adjustments. Return to your Acuity scheduling settings and tweak any elements that didn't meet your expectations during the test. Whether it's adjusting the time slots, updating the booking instructions, or even choosing a different color scheme, these small changes can significantly enhance the client experience. Testing your scheduler is not just a one-time task, but an ongoing process. As your business evolves, continue to periodically check and update your scheduling page to ensure it meets the needs of your clients. By doing so, you'll maintain a professional appearance and provide a hassle-free booking experience. That wraps up our guide on testing your scheduler in Acuity Scheduling. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it empowers you to streamline your booking process effortlessly. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.